up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am back. I took a little hiatus for about a month, maybe 2 months. And today I wanted to film a chit chat get ready with me, like a little life update, what I've been up to and what's going on. Don't mind my lamp. These are antique lamps and this one is having issues. I'm gonna have to take it in to get repaired. So that lamp isn't working. Yeah, I just wanted to do a little updated get ready with me. This is like my everyday go-to skin routine. I am gonna film some unboxings after this video, so stay tuned for that. Starting off with the Summer Fridays shade drops and sunscreen. This has like kind of a luminous glow and it does have SPF in it. And then the Superstay Maybelline. I'm still using this. I love it so much. A little bit of that. And then a little bit of these like glow drops. And I mix them together. So what's been going on? Where have I been? I have been just taking some time for myself and resting. I've been doing a lot of healing, like literally resting and a lot of spiritual healing. This is Natasha Denona, YN6. Still haven't changed this. I love this concealer. And just working on my actual business, growing the business, hiring, getting new clients, things like that. And also really just spending time with my daughter and taking care of my home. I did get a little burnt out on filming, so I just took a little break, but I'm back. I'm feeling renewed and restored and like ready to put some new content out there. I had not checked on my channel in those 2 months until recently, and I saw that I gained quite a bit of followers on here, so thank you guys for that. My goal this year for 2026 was to get 500 followers, and I'm so close to that goal already. So I'm very grateful for you guys, and thanks for hanging in there and watching. The one thing about my routine that I'm doing differently, I think, is my concealer. So as you saw, I put it on, I'm letting it sit. I'll take this concealer brush. This is super old. This is like a Sedona Lace. Oh no, this is a Sigma Precision Angle. And I will just tap it in. And then I'll go over with like a beauty blender. So that's what I've been doing. I've been just focused on my business and really taking time to rest and restore, you know, reflect on the years past and kind of come up with like, not necessarily a plan, but just what I want moving forward for my life. I think I lost a little bit of direction and yeah. So this is from Real Techniques. I love this one because it's super tiny. Just gonna tap all that in. But business is doing well. I'm feeling a lot better, even physically. Like I've been in the gym, I've been pushing super hard, and I think that kind of like messed me up a little bit. I do have a tendency to ignore my body's call for rest and just keep going and going and going. So this past weekend, I literally slept. I just focused on sleeping and rest. And I did a 5-mile walk this morning. I'm feeling so much better. I do have this like event to go to. One of my girlfriends invited me, and it's one of her friends that I met at her birthday last week, and we really hit it off. So I'm looking forward to like crashing their party and spending some time with her. I do have a workshop this evening. This is like the 3rd time Lauren's invited me. So I'm going. I already bought my ticket, and it's a yin yoga workshop with Reiki, which I've never done Reiki. So I'm actually really looking forward to that. I know Reiki has to do with your chakras, and I definitely know a few of mine are out of alignment. So I'm kind of curious how this is gonna go. I did also invite my friend Melanie to come with me, so I hope she can make it. And yeah, we're having a great Sunday over here. So that's that. Blended the concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty. Normally I would use a little powder puff, but mine are all dirty. I need to like wash all my brushes. So I'm just gonna go in with the sponge, like so. And just tap that in. We're gonna wipe the excess off later. But yeah, that's what's going on. I think the last time I filmed, I had family in town. Honestly, I can't remember. I honestly don't remember the last time I filmed. I did just upload like 4 videos from that last time I filmed a few months ago, so I'm really behind. I have all my Ipsy, Birchbox, BoxyCharm, Soul Beauty, all those like beauty subscriptions. I have them all like down here to unbox. So if you like those videos, you can check them out. I'll have them posted shortly. So I'm gonna take this little fluffy and go in with my Laura Geller Baked. I love this for like an all over foundation. Not a foundation, to like set my foundation. I did get some trips planned for the summer for Violet, my daughter, and myself, and I'm very much looking forward to that. It is May right now, and I don't think I filmed at all in March and not at all in April. I've just been super busy. It's my daughter's birthday in April, and April literally was such a busy month for me. But I'm gonna get back on filming regularly. I definitely wanna get back to vlog style filming. I don't know if you guys like that. Leave me a comment if you did. I would love to hear your feedback. So I'm gonna wipe off the excess under my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with the Natasha Denona, this like super bronzy color, just a little bit, because this is a little bit dark. My tan is kind of wearing off. It was raining all weekend, but I do live in Florida, so the sun has been out. We have been in the sun at the beach, getting our bronze on, which I love. So anyways, May, end of school. June, we're gonna go to Tennessee, back to our cabin for our second annual trip. We love that. And then July, I'm going back home to South Florida for a week. And I rented an Airbnb this time, which I've never done. I usually go home and stay with friends or family. And I'm so grateful that they let us stay with us, but I usually limit our trip to a few days just because, you know, being in someone else's home, I do have a 5-year-old, you know, I feel like we can kind of get in the way sometimes. So this time I did book an Airbnb for a week. Although it was pricey, I think it's gonna be really worth it because it'll be like our own space, you know, so we can go meet up with friends, meet up with families, and at the end of the day, her and I can come home and like have our own space. You know, she can be as wild as she wants within reason. And yeah, the Airbnb that I booked has a pool and it's on like the intercoastal. So it'll be nice to have like a little dock and such. Okay, so then I go in with the Dolce Pink from Milani. I've just been loving this. I love the highlight, I love the glow, I love the color. This has been like my everyday go-to, get ready in the morning makeup. Just super quick, glowy, fresh. I feel tan, I feel put together. It's enough to like get me through the day without feeling cakey or like I have too much makeup on. So, look at that. Just like the perfect amount of glow. Also, I haven't given you guys an update. I did get my boobs done in February. Like I had an implant exchange and I definitely need to film like an update on that. I know I said I would, but they look great. Yeah, okay, everything's healed. Honestly, I recovered so quickly from that compared to the first time I got my boobs done. I don't know if it was my surgeon or because it was an exchange, but I really recovered quickly and like super happy with the result. I love these eye drops because they like make your eyes really white, but also ever since I had LASIK, my eyes are a little bit drier. So I like to do that little step. And then this is Morphe, the micro brow pencil in Biscotti. I accidentally took too much off of this eyebrow the other day, so if my eyebrows look a little crazy, don't judge. I'm growing them back a little bit. I'm like tempted to cut a little bang just so I can grow them back in full and just like have a new baseline to start with, but that's a little crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. So yeah, you could see like right here, this part. Oopsie. Yeah, okay, so July, back home to South Florida. Stewart is where I'm from. And then in August, we're going to Puerto Rico. I'm so excited. Me and Violet have not been on a plane since she was able to fly for free. So under 2. And yeah, we're going to Rincon, the West Coast, and we booked an Airbnb. We have a rental car. We're going for a week. It's also my mom's birthday. So that'll be so fun. Violet can snorkel now, so it's gonna be like such a great trip. This is the Milani Make It Last. Bring that down a little bit. I have been loving this. It's the Beauty Creations Plump and Pout. I just like put this on every single day when I'm getting ready. I don't bring this with me. This is kind of like at my vanity, the lip gloss I put on right when I'm done getting ready. And then throughout the day I have different lip glosses that I keep in my purse. As much as I love like a lip liner combo just for the everyday, this is what works. It's very simple. You know, I'll wear this makeup to the gym. I'll wear this makeup on a walk. This is what I do like first thing in the morning when I wake up. Violet's getting ready for school. This is what I do. Then, of course, mascara. Back to my favorite combo. This is the Grande Drama, the thickening mascara with the Bubble Lash. So I like to layer these two. I have also really been loving this. This is the Kosas Soul Gazer. So I'll kind of like mix up the two between these. Loving it. I did get back on the dating sites. I was on Hinge and Bumble. I'm not even kidding, for like 24, maybe 48 hours. I gave it like a real try this time. I had a different approach. I expanded my mileage. Usually I'll do it within like 10 miles of where I live, but I expanded it to 100 miles. Really like was looking at the character of these men, and I even dropped my age range like lower and higher. And I did actually match with like a bunch of people. Mostly conversations were not great. One guy, him and I had really good banter back and forth. Like the conversation was so good. I feel like we were really similar in the way we communicate, but it ended up just not being, it ended up like opening my eyes to, I don't have time for someone right now. You know, he lives a few hundred miles away, and although he was willing to like come over here and like take me on an actual date and whatever, he was like asking all the right questions, super mature, emotionally available. Like we really hit it off. I just realized how much work a real relationship is with someone. And like, I just don't have the time to give to someone else. I'm so committed to my daughter, obviously, and then just my business and my own life. Like I'm so busy, and you know, someone that you're with like deserves your attention. So it also made me realize just how happy I am, like literally by myself. Like I'm actually genuinely so happy with just me. And not that I don't want someone in my life, I just feel like the dating apps they're just not for me, you know? I feel like if I am gonna meet someone, it's gonna be super organic, and when you know, you know. So I deleted the apps. I just like, I'm genuinely so happy in my life right now. And if someone wants to come along and add to that, I love that, and I'm totally open to that, but I realize like I'm not actually looking for a relationship. I think what I'm looking for right now is to grow my business and to just get like really serious about my future in general. I want to travel and like be available to my daughter. So yeah, I feel good about that decision. And that completes the final look. I just put a little curl in my hair to look a little more put together, but this is like my everyday, very simple, bronzy, glowy makeup look. I mean, this is perfect going to the gym, going on a walk, taking care of Violet, picking her up from school, running errands, whatever I have to do that day. It's like very clean, but put together. And yeah, it just helps boost the confidence a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so appreciative of all of you who have followed me so far on this journey. Leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.